Hi there, welcome back to another Motivational Monday on my channel. I'm Lisa, and on Mondays I like to always try and do something fun to motivate you for the rest of the week. Now I'm going to apologise, it's a shopping video today, but I am throwing in a DIY as well. It's been a bit shopping heavy on my channel recently. I didn't mean for it to be like that. The main part of this video was actually meant to go up last week, and then I shopped on my birthday, which wasn't planned. Then I ended up with a shopping haul because I bought so much. So it is a bit shopping heavy at the moment, so I do apologise. And I don't actually have any more shopping videos planned, I don't think, for the next couple of weeks. So if shopping's not your thing, I'm really sorry. But today is a good one. I was looking in Poundland and I found some really good Mother's Day things along with some great Easter things, which I've got saved for future projects. I've got so many projects coming up now. I'm really excited. So if that is your thing, please do subscribe to my channel. I've got loads of things planned at the moment, but I do have a DIY coming up in just a moment. I'm going to let you see the shopping first, and then I'll do a DIY, and then there's a haul at the end. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll let you see what I got. We can find, oh, I like those baskets in front. They'd make really nice Easter baskets. If we give these to the kids, we can reuse them. I like that idea. Right, we've literally just walked in and I've seen some stuff I really like. I like the notepad. That's really nice. We've got a Best Mum Ever canvas and some candles. Oh, I like this. Look, oh, this is so sweet. Right, I like the easel. There's a little to-do list easel. That's really cute, but I've got my eye on this. I do love a little tray. I think we might have to get that. He's already picked up the chocolate oranges. Oh, a little ceramic.
Ceramic coasters, 2 for £1.
Oh, they're nice.
They've got cork on the back as well.
Ah.
The one that says you are loved. And then a pattern.
Oh.
Got 2 for £1.
I really like this stuff here. All this Mother's Day stuff. Yeah, got some cute little mugs. Mum mug. And there's a shine mug.
Microwave and dishwasher safe.
For, oh look, toast and eggs in bed.
Oh.
That's really cute. Little canister, little thing there. Frames.
Not disturb. I'll pamper section.
We've got coffee mugs, glasses. Oh, look at the little memory box. That's quite sweet. I like that. Right, I had an email about these noodles.
50p each.
50p each. I love noodles. Thai sweet chili. What are they? Oh yeah, should we try those? Little cushion hearts for £2. We've got more Mother's Day things. We've got crackled tea light holders, candles. I do quite like the memory box. That is quite nice. Some cutesy stuff. Here's that #6 range.
Number 6.
Yeah, I keep seeing this all over the place actually. I might give something a go. This little blue glitter hair gel's quite cute. Little unicorn on top. I've seen these as well, these face mask kits to make your own. I'm quite interested in that. These large cosmetic bags are quite nice as well. And there's some with llamas. Just looking at the makeup here as well. I do like lip gloss. I might try one of those too. And there's loads of different nail varnishes. Just found these little miniature Tony and Guy shampoos as well. Mickey Mouse wipes. Right, got a few bits and pieces here. Spotted something instantly. I do like that. A few signs. There's quite a lot of nice things for Easter as well if you like Easter crafts. We've got pom-poms, and there's Easter bonnet hats, and you've got loads and loads of like bits and pieces if you want to make Easter baskets and things if you're having an Easter party. Loads and loads. Oh, I like the little, oh look, there's like Easter hunt game. There's loads of these little bunny crayons. Really cute thing. Egg and spoon race there. Quite a lot here, all the bath bits and pieces. Oh, there's a little relax sign up there. That's quite nice.
More nail polish.
Loads of bath bombs. Oh, what's Prosecco glitter? Oh, is that glitter you put in your Prosecco? Oh, fancy. Oh, there's some nice stationery actually as well. We've got The Future is Female, Scribbles of a Superwoman, You Are Loved, Write Your Own Future, You're Super Magical. We've got magnetic photo pegs as well. Do quite like these baskets here. They're quite nice. Some really cute little slippers here. Oh, look at the little unicorns. Oh, little pyjamas. Oh, those Mickey pyjamas. £6. They're so sweet. Oh, look at the dinosaurs. More candles. What's that? Oh, is that like a... Oh, it's a diffuser. Yeah. Loads of containers. I quite like the colours here. Right, we're in the storage section. I do like these. They would look really nice spray painted or just painted. Really, really love all the kitchen stuff. That pink is so pretty. Really like that. Some really nice things there. These frames are really nice. Love the giraffes and the zebras. Yeah, I like the hanging pots, but I don't think we'd get around to hanging them.
No, but it's also where they go.
I know. Look at these. I've already got that one, the yellow one. That's really cute. Now, as you saw, there was a really good range of Mother's Day bits and pieces there. Today, though, I'm going to be making my own gift. I didn't actually purchase this during the shop. I actually bought this on a previous shopping trip, but they did have these still in there. I don't know if you saw, there was a rack next to the Easter things of frames, and these are actually reduced to 25p at the moment. I've seen them in both of my local Poundland, so hopefully you'll be able to find one. I don't know why I'm holding it that way, because it's obviously that way, but I'm going to be doing a project with it this way. I'm going to start by painting the frame, covering the center, and we're going to add some photos, and I'm going to be making this little frame for my mum. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm actually going to take off the string on the back, and then I'm going to paint the frame with just general acrylic paint. Any acrylic paint will do. This is just the sort that I sell on my online shop, which I will link up below. So I've just kind of given that a brushed effect. I haven't gone thick white. I didn't want it to be completely white, but I really like how that's come out. I'm going to leave that to dry, and I'm going to print off some photos. I've just cut some paper to size. I've also, using Word, I've just printed off the word mum in a chunky font, and I'm going to cut that out. I've stuck the letters on using some glue dots because they're easy to peel off. I will be removing the letters afterwards. And now I'm going over with the watercolours like this, and I'm just going to leave this to dry. So I've peeled off the mum letters. It has leaked under, but I actually really like that. And now I'm going to add another colour to it. I'm really pleased with this. I've coloured in green, and then I've just splashed a little bit of the green paint, and I'm going to leave that to dry. Once the paint's dry, I've added some double-sided sticky tape underneath, and I've pressed this watercolour paper here onto it. I did use a kitchen towel just in case it was still a little bit damp. I've gone ahead and, using the hot glue gun, I've attached 3 mini wooden pegs, and as I took the string off the back, I've taken some fabric, tied a knot on either end, and again using the hot glue gun, I've attached it with that to hang it, and now I just need to add a bit of decoration. And this is the finished frame. I've just gone around the outside with a bit of pen because I do love to doodle. There, you can see it a bit better. I'm really pleased with that. And the nice thing is, obviously, Mum can switch out the photos as well. I love the watercolour underneath, and I've added a few little stickers and bits and pieces from the Lollipop box club kits. So that is my little DIY, really easy, and it cost me 25p. Not bad. Now, and I'm going to show you what I've bought. Also, tried and tested a few items as well, so I will show you those as I go through. Very first items, these naked noodles. They were 50p. I actually signed up to the Poundland emails a while ago, and you get like what's like current new stuff, all that kind of thing, and the naked noodles were in the email. These naked noodle pots I was really impressed with. I've had a look in the ingredients on the back. The actual pot itself, they're very low in fat, 270 calories for the whole pot, 71% noodles, dried egg noodles, and then to be honest, the majority of it is just seasoning. These, we have tried one each already. Abe had the curry, which it says is mild. I had the sweet chili, which it says is hot. I can take a bit of spice. I didn't find either hot at all. Abe found mine okay, but he found his, the mild one, a little bit spicy. It says Chinese curry, although it's Singapore curry. It says it's like Chinese curry. It didn't have that kind of chip shop curry flavour, but it was nice. Really, really nice. 50p a pot, and we would definitely have these again. Abe snuck a couple of chocolate oranges into the basket. He's always good at sneaking chocolate into the basket. I picked up this little Toni and Guy shampoo. It's a cleanse shampoo. Kids are going away, so I thought these might be quite handy for them to take in their luggage, in their hand luggage. I love little trinket trays for work. I like sort of popping my bits and pieces for work on here just so I can take cute photos. And this one is really, really cute. Obviously £1, and it would also make quite a nice Mother's Day gift as well. I've got some DIYs coming up. I'm going to be working on those this week. And I've got some baskets which I plan to do something quite fun with. Another DIY project coming up, a little arrow. The Easter section is really, really nice. There's loads there, but I plan to do something with this wooden arrow. I always buy my dishwasher tablets in Poundland. They are 10 for £1. Got some storage baskets. I wish I'd bought more again. I bought a load of these for my studio drawers. They're really, really good for storage, and I've got them as like an office space storage workspace. So I will link up that video below so you can have a look when I decluttered my work studio. But I'm actually going to be using these in the bathroom, and I've got two other as well. I'm just hoping they're going to fit. I haven't actually tried them yet. But the bathroom declutter video as I share this video has already gone up, so I will link up that below so you can see how I've used them and see how they look. I picked up a lip gloss. I've never bought makeup in Poundland before. I do love lip gloss. I wear lip gloss all the time. Thought I'd give this a go. It's my kind of colour, and I have to say I'm not a fan, and I'm going to stick to my regular lip gloss. It just felt really, really sticky. It was a bit thick and gloopy for my liking. I liked the colour though, but yeah, just a bit sticky for me. Whilst we're still on the subject of like cosmetics, I tried the Derma Serum, the anti-aging. Now I use Kiehl's usually, and it's £49.50 compared to £1. I've been using the Kiehl's for a while. I was giving it as a tester pot when we were in Orlando in the summer. I have a line that comes up. It just snuck up literally overnight one day a few months ago, and it really bothers me. And I was using the Kiehl's on holiday. They gave me quite a generous tester pot to try, and it's warm when you put on, and it kind of tingles a little bit, and I love it. And it really, really took the line away. And I notice it when I stop using it for a while, it starts to come back again. I'm trying the serum. On first impressions, a little bit doesn't go a long way. You need a decent amount. Obviously it's difficult to see on the video, but it feels just like a cream, just like a normal cream, whereas I've used the number 7 from Boots serum. I used that before the Kiehl's, and that has a similar kind of texture to the Kiehl's, in that it just kind of glides on. It's really nice, whereas this you kind of put on and it's already in. So you need a lot more from this. It just felt like a normal cream. Obviously I haven't used it for like 3 weeks or anything like that, so it's hard to tell what the results would be, but I think I'm going to stick with my Kiehl's, to be really, really honest. I also picked up one of these. I thought this was really fun. It's a face mask kit. You've got the little pot there. You've got the little scoopy thing to like scoop bits out, so you can make your own face masks. You've got measurements as well, and you've got a brush to apply it. I thought that was really nice. I fancy doing some kind of like home DIY face masks, and this is perfect. Also make quite a nice gift actually. Pop one up and keep it as a stocking filler for later in the year. You know how much I love Disney. I really needed some wipes for my workspace. I like using wipes to wipe over the desk area and all that kind of thing. And it was the Mickey Mouse that sold these, I have to be honest. And then lastly, got a few more foodie bits. I love these little biscuits to go with my coffee, and they're individually wrapped into 2 packs, and I like keeping them in my coffee station. I recently created a really cute coffee station, like coffee cum hot chocolate station, and these go in a little jar. I will link that video up for you below in case you haven't seen it. Got the kids some cereal bars. They're going on a trip, so I got them some of their favourite candy that they used to love when they were really little. And picked up a pack of Chili Heatwave individual bags for packed lunches next week. So I hope you've enjoyed this today. There are some really good things in Poundland at the moment for Mother's Day, so I recommend you go and take a look. And also the Easter stuff's looking really good as well. So like I said, I've got some DIYs coming up this week. However, I'm doing a scrap and chat on Wednesday, scrapbooking with a good old chatter, and Friday, I'm not sure what I'm doing Friday. I think actually I might do some DIYs. I haven't actually got anything recorded at the moment, but I do have a lot of DIY projects. And Saturday, I was going to say it's a Disney day, but actually we're checking out and we're going over to Universal, so I've got some Universal videos to share with you. So I hope you like that kind of thing. Have a lovely week and stay tuned for my next video, which will be Wednesday. Please subscribe if you don't already, and please give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.